Hi there, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter. Yeah, that's me. With StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at ELF Beauty. This is ticker ELF. Now, ELF looks pretty good considering the state of the market right now. Now, don't get me wrong. This is not a beautiful chart. It is a chart that needs help. Maybe some blush or eyeshadow or whatever. I don't know, makeup. It's my wife's specialty, but not me. But it does look like it has some potential because after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 red days in a row, it finally bounced today and did it on higher than average volume. So if the market bounces tomorrow, we could see a little follow through to the upside, maybe a short-term trade into the cluster of moving averages. Now, I wouldn't expect too much out of this just because there's so many built-in sellers in this chart right now, just on the amount of red, that I don't think you want to hold this for a long-term thing. I think you just want to swing to the upside and ideally get a few points out of it and then get out of the way because you don't know what's going to happen. Now, this is already an idea that I've shared with our members at StockMarketMentor.com, but what I'm looking for is a move above today's intraday high and a close above today's intraday high with a stop loss under today's intraday low right around that $100 range. So you're buying it because you think it's going to go up here and close up there, or at least get up in here for a short period of time, enough where you can take some profits, and then get out of the way and ideally close the trade out before it tests the lows again, potentially breaks down here and breaks under that $100 level, which is pretty key here on this chart. You can see how that $100 level has been holding since back here in May. So I think it's at a pretty clear level of support. Ideally, it goes up here. But if you do want to hold some just to see, you don't want it to close under that $100 range. So that's just a quick idea here on ELF. Let's be honest. Not many good-looking charts in this market, and even this one still needs some work in front of the mirror. So I hope this video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll see you next time.